Not under pressure to accept defeat. I will bounce back, Ize Iyamu said. The Edo State governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress (APC) in last Saturday's election, Pastor Osagi Ize Iyamu, has debunked claims that he is under pressure from party leaders to accept defeat. In a statement by his Director of Communication and Media, John Mayeki, the APC standard bearer also condemned a video that went viral where he was calling on Governor Godwin Obaseki to return to APC. This came as former national chairman of the APC, Comrade Adams Oshomole, said he is not done and all hopes are not lost, urging the media to desist from speculative reports. Ize Iyamu said, "I was shocked this morning, yesterday when I saw reports saying I begged Obaseki to return to APC after the election. While immediately responding to it, another one emerged. I will restate that I never begged him to return after the election. I deliberately did not reply when I saw all that rumor on the social media with people tagging me in them. Now, I saw another report in the media stating that APC leaders are mounting pressure on me to accept defeat. In all fairness to the national leadership of my party, they never mounted any pressure on me. So I wonder where their source got information from. The public reposes a lot of trust in the media for authentic information. What happens when this trust is betrayed?" Meanwhile, Ize Iyamu reiterated his earlier position that he had not yet made up his mind on the next step to take. "I already tweeted that I am studying the results and consulting widely on my next line of action. Speculative reporting must be condemned. When I make up my mind, I will let my supporters know. For now, patience is what I implore. Not violence, not anger will help us now. Dignity will manifest in how we bounce back from this minor setback," he said. President Muhammadu Buhari, the chairman of the APC Caretaker Committee, Governor Mai Malam Buni of Yobe State, and a faction of APC in Edo have congratulated Governor Obaseki of the People Democratic Party (PDP) on his victory in the election. On Wednesday, Buni and Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello met with Ize Iyamu at Governor Buni's Abuja residence in what sources said was to discuss the way forward after the Edo poll. "I am not done. All hopes not lost," Oshomole revealed. Meanwhile, Comrade Oshomole, who broke his silence on last Saturday's governorship election, said he remained positive and that in life all hopes are never lost. In a short video apparently taken in his gymnasium and posted by G Africa TV, Oshomole said he is feeling good. He said, "You know, in life, you work hard and leave God for the outcome. You do not, or you do your best and trust God to bless your efforts. I feel good. I feel healthy. Thank God. I feel strong. Thank God. In life, you win some and you lose some, but life goes on. I want to thank everybody. I am sure a lot of people think Comrade is down, but I am not down. When God says you are not down, you are not down, and I am not down. I thank Edo people for all they did over the past 2, 3, 4, 6 weeks. People under the rain, under the sun, young ladies carrying babies on their back. I saw elderly women struggling to see my small face. And on election day, I was moved to tears when I saw elderly women of 70 to 75 sitting down because the card readers were not working and they were not frustrated with that. They struck me with that. If at their age they did or didn't give up, why should I give up? Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, I don't have much to say concerning this Edo gubernatorial election, but what I will just say is that Eze Iyamu should just hands off and let go. See, a winner is not he that wins, but he that loses and refuse to quit. That he has lost twice in this contest doesn't make him a loser. There is always another opportunity. He should keep trying. He should make Abraham Lincoln a friend. He should make him an ally because and work with many of his adages. You understand now? It will help him. Abraham Lincoln tried leadership for so many times but didn't succeed. Do you understand? But didn't succeed. So for those several times that he tried, he's used those several times as a stepping stone and also as an experience towards another opportunity given to him. Not until when he now gave it another try before he now succeeded. We have so many other scholars that tried leadership position and failed several times, but as a result of somehow, sometime they ended up succeeding. So a time will come when he will succeed, and he will succeed, and that time will now be the time that will even favor him the most. You understand now? Will now favor him the most. So my advice for him is to remain calm. Shouldn't even press forward. Shouldn't say, okay, let me take the case to court. He should not pay attention to such because doing that will just make him to waste resources. He will waste resources and we end up getting nothing. You understand? There will be nothing gotten out of it. So you should just let go. Let the sleeping dog lie. You understand what I'm saying? Because there is nothing one we do with things of that kind. The election has come and it has gone. Support the administration and see how he can be able to contribute his own quota to the development of the state. You understand what I'm saying? So my viewers, please, what's your advice? What's your own take concerning what Eze Iyamu have just said? What do you think? Or what's your own advice to him? Please, you do well to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.